Now we will start our next question, question number 6. So it is given, find the radius of the sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. So this is very simple. Okay, simply the surface area is given. So simply what will you do? You will, it is given the total surface area. Okay, so total surface area is equal to 154 centimeter square. And what will be the total surface area? This is given sphere. Okay, so sphere total surface area will be 4 pi r square, and it is given 154. Now put the value 4 into pi. Pi is 22 by 7. R is not given. You will find out. So r square is equal to 154. Okay. Now 4 into 22, 88 upon 7 multiply r square is equal to 154. So r square will be 154. 7 you will take right side. So it will come in multiplication of 154, and 88 you will take here. Okay. Now you will cancel out. Okay. So you will do cancellation. You can do by the 4, not 4. You can say 11. 11 8 is 88. 11 1 is 11, and 11 4 is 44. Okay. Now 2 7 is 14, and 2 4 is 8. Okay. So it will be 7 7 is 49 upon 4. Clear? So this is the value of r square. But you will find out the value of r. So r will be, when square you will take right side, so it will convert in the square root. 49 square root will be 7, and 4 square root will be 2. So it is 7 by 2. So when you will write in decimal, so 3.5, and it is given area is centimeter square. So this one is the radius, and radius will be in the centimeter only. Okay. So this one will be the radius of the sphere. So it was very simple question. Total surface area is given 154 centimeter. Only surface area is given. It means the total surface area is given. Okay. So it is 154. 4 pi r square is equal to 154. Put the value 4 as it is, pi 22 by 7. R square as it is 154. Now the r square will be 49 upon 4. Now this is the value of r square. But you will find out the value of r here. So r will be 49 upon 4 square root. So 7 by 2. And this one will be equal to 3.5 centimeter. Clear? So this is question number 6. Let's start our next question. Question number 7. It is given, diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of earth. Find the ratio of the surface area. Okay. What is given? Diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of diameter of earth. So it is not given what is the diameter of moon, what is the diameter of earth. So you will assume first. So you can assume here, because it is given diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of diameter of earth. So you can assume first what is the diameter of earth. So here first we will assume that let diameter of earth is equal to twice of r. Okay. We will assume diameter of earth is 2r. Now what will be the radius? So radius of earth will be 2r upon 2. So it will be r. Clear? Now diameter of moon, what is given? Diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of diameter of earth, and earth diameter is 2r. So 1 by 4 means 1/4 of diameter of earth, or diameter of earth is 2r, and 1/4 of 2r will be 1 by 4 upon 2r. Okay, into 2r. So 2 2s are 4, you can cancel out. So it will be r upon 2. So this is the diameter of moon. So what will be the radius of moon? So radius of moon will be r upon 2, and this is diameter, and when you are finding the radius, so you will divide by 2 also. So it will be r upon 4. Okay. So this is the radius of the moon. Now find the ratio of the surface area. So surface area, total surface area of moon will be 4 pi r square. Put the value 4 into pi. You can put as it is. Okay. R square. R square means radius. Radius is r by 4. So it will be r upon 4 into r upon 4. So, and you can write it as like that also, r upon 4 square. This is the total surface area of moon, and total surface area of earth will be 4 pi r square, and put the value of r. And what is the radius of earth? So this is r. So it will be as it is 4 pi r square. Now what will you do? You will find out the ratio. So ratio of moon to earth will be 4 pi r upon 4 whole square divided by 4 pi r square. Clear? Now you can see this one will be 4 pi r square upon 16 and multiply. This is 4 pi r square as it is, and here I have opened it. Okay, r square will be r square and 4 square will be 16. So 4 pi r square cancel. So in numerator it will be 1 and denominator 16. So it will be 1:16. Clear? So this one will be 1:16. So what is given in this question, beta? Diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of earth. It is given diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of earth. moon की जो diameter है वो 1/4 है किससे? diameter of earth से. So first we will assume that let the diameter of earth is 2r. So what will be the radius of earth? So it will be 2r upon 2, half of the diameter. So it will be r. Clear? Now diameter of moon. Diameter of moon is 1/4 of diameter of earth. Okay. So 1/4 means 1/4 into diameter of earth is 2r. 2 2s are 4. So it will be r by 2. This is diameter. First you will find out the radius. So it will be half of this, r by 2 upon 2. So it will be r by 4. Clear? Now what will be the surface area of the moon? So total surface area formula will be 4 pi r square. Put the value of r. So r is r upon 4. So r upon 4 square. Clear? Now put as it is because you can cancel out it later. Now total surface area of earth. So earth radius is r. So total surface area will be 4 pi r square. Now you have to find out the ratio. So ratio will be 4 pi r upon 4 whole square upon 4 pi r square. So it will be 1 upon 16. So you can write it as 1:16. So this was your question number 7. Let's start our next question. Question number 8. A hemispherical bowl is made of a steel 0.25 centimeter thick. Now the inner radius is 5 centimeters. So find the outer curved surface area. Okay, so what is given? A hemispherical bowl is given. So for example, this one you can assume this one is your hemispherical bowl. And in this bowl, hemispherical bowl made of steel 0.25 centimeter thick. और इसकी जो मोटाई है वो कितनी है? 0.25 centimeter है. And the inner radius is 5 centimeter. Find the outer curved surface area. So for finding the outer curved surface area, first of all you will find out the outer radius. So this one is the inner radius. This one is the inner radius, and this is given 5 centimeter. And the thickness means from this one to this one. So this one is given, the thickness is 0.25 centimeter. Okay, thickness मतलब उसकी मोटाई जो है वो 0.25 है, and the inner radius is 5 centimeter. So what will be the outer radius? So outer radius will be from here to here, the complete line from here to here. So this one will be the outer radius. So outer radius will be the inner radius, this one radius, and this one thickness. So this one will be the outer radius of the hemispherical bowl. So you will write outer radius will be inner radius plus thickness. Okay, so what is the inner radius? So inner radius is 5 and the thickness is 0.25. So the outer radius will be till here to here. Okay, so it will be the outer radius, and this one here to here is inner radius, and this one is the thickness. So it will be 5 plus 0.25. So it will be 5.25, and it is centimeter. So this one is the outer radius of the hemispherical bowl. Now you will find out the outer curved surface area. So outer curved surface area of bowl will be, what will be the curved surface area? 2 pi r square. Put the value. So 2 into 22/7 into r square. So r square will be 5.25. So you can write it as 525/100 and 525/100. Now solve it and find out the curved surface area. So it will be in the centimeter square. Clear? So this was your question number 8. You have to find out the hemispherical bowl is given, and this is made of steel 0.25 centimeter thick, and inner radius is given 5 centimeter. तो बेटा आपके पास एक बोल है और हेमिस्फेरिकल बोल है, half means half, you can take the half of the bowl, एंड इसकी जो मोटाई है, थिकनेस है, वो है 0.25 और जो इनर रेडियस है वो 5 है। तो जो आउटर कर्व सरफेस एरिया के लिए फर्स्ट यू विल फाइंड आउट द आउटर रेडियस, और आउटर रेडियस विल बी द इनर रेडियस प्लस द थिकनेस. This one will be the outer radius. So 5 plus 0.25, it will be 5.25 centimeter. Now the outer curved surface area will be 2 pi r square. So put the values and find out, after cancellation, find out the answer of this question. So it will be in the centimeter square. This is curved surface area. Now next question, last question of this exercise, question number 9. A right circular cylinder just enclosed with sphere of radius r. So first find out the surface area of sphere. Next is curved surface area of cylinder, and next one is the ratio of areas 1 and 2. Okay, so what is given? A cylinder is given, and in this cylinder one sphere is enclosed. One sphere is enclosed in the cylinder. One sphere is enclosed in this cylinder like that. Okay, and with the sphere of radius r, and sphere की radius क्या है? r. So radius will be from here to here, so here to here, and this one will be all the radius. Okay, so this one is called the radius, and if this one is radius, so this one is called the height of the cylinder. Okay, and radius will be same. Okay, from here to here you can assume. So radius of sphere and radius of cylinder will be same. So in this question you can see in the figure easily. Okay, so it is given what will be there? Radius of sphere will be r, and radius of cylinder will be also r. Okay, and now the height of the cylinder. For cylinder you want the height also. So height of cylinder will be this one is the height, so here to here this is radius, and here to here this one is also radius, so r plus r, so r plus r, so will be height, so it will be 2r. Clear? Now first, in the first part, surface area of sphere. So surface area means total surface area, and total surface area of sphere will be 4 pi r square. And in the second, curved surface area of cylinder. So curved surface area of cylinder will be 2 pi r h. This is the formula, 2 pi r h. Put the value 2 into pi into r as it is. R is r and h is 2r. So it is 2r. Now it will be 4 pi r square. Clear? When you will multiply, so it will be same 4 pi r square. Now in third part, find the ratio of both the areas. So ratio of area 1 4 pi r square, and ratio of area 2 is again the 4 pi r square. So it will be 1/1. So you can see 1:1. So ratio will be 1:1. So this was your last question. What is given? A right circular cylinder just enclosed with sphere of radius r, and surface area of sphere. Find the surface area of sphere, curved surface area of cylinder, and ratio of area 1 and 2. सो इन दिस क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक स्फीयर है जो किसके अंदर फिट है, एक सिलेंडर के अंदर फिट किया गया है जिसकी रेडियस जो है स्फीयर की r है. सो इफ रेडियस ऑफ द स्फीयर इज r, सो सिलेंडर रेडियस विल बी सेम लाइक r. And when you will find out for the cylinder, you want to find out the height also. And what will be the height from center to circle? This is radius, and from center to circle this one will be again the radius. So upper part and the lower part, so it will be complete the height of the cylinder. So it will be r plus r 2r. Now first part, find the surface area of sphere. So it will be total surface area, so it will be 4 pi r square. Okay, and radius is r, so it will be as it is. Now the in second part, curved surface area of cylinder. So curved surface area of cylinder will be 2 pi r h, and put the value. 2 will be as it is, pi will be as it is, r is r, and the h is given here 2r. So when you will multiply, so you will get here 2 to the 4 pi r square. Clear? And in the next part, third, find the ratio of area 1 and 2. So ratio of area 1, surface area of 1 is 4 pi r square, and the surface area of 2 is 4 pi r square. So 4 pi r square upon 4 pi r square, so it will be 1/1. So what will be the ratio? So you can say simply it will be 1:1. Clear? So this was your last question. So with that you will complete your exercise also.